Hey guys, today is both an exciting and sort of sad day because I am planning on listing the S4 for sale. Today, Patrick from Absolute Auto Detailing came over to clean up the S4. So we've done the exterior wash, we'll get the inside all cleaned up. Matt just showed up with his 350R. Also, I needed to do some stuff with the i8 today. It just rolled over 20,000 miles last night. But the main thing is, I'm gonna be selling the S4. So we're gonna get it cleaned up, go take some good pictures of it, inside and out. Has the HREs on it, which look much better clean. Thanks, Patrick. They were filthy from all the brake dust.
Absolutely.
But yeah, today, I mean, it's sad because I really like this car, but it's also exciting because once I sell it, I'll get something else. So one big issue is this car was dailied all winter, 2 winters now, and salt sucks. So I have these all-season mats, which they're A4 bats for some reason. That's what came with the car. It's kind of dumb. But salt is, it's freaking horrible. So Patrick here says, how are we gonna clean it up?
So first thing you got to do is you got to vacuum it.
Okay.
And take either any kind of brush you want to get all the actual physical particles of the actual salt. And then after you do that, you take 50-50, so 50% water and then 50% white distilled vinegar.
Okay.
So obviously you have more vinegar, you're gonna have a stronger smell. If you have less vinegar, it's gonna be less of a smell. So obviously you gotta let it air out, basically. So after you do that, spray it down, use any kind of brush again and vigorously attack it. And then after you do that, vacuum it with the shop vac or wet vacuum, and then go over certain kind of passes, and then, you know, do I need less aggressive, more aggressive, whatever you need to do. Okay. And then start with that, and then obviously vacuum it up, and then clean it up with special product.
So we're gonna observe how clean you get it, because whoever is gonna buy this car doesn't want to see that. So
absolutely
let's get to work on that. So we've got the shop vac, scrubbing away. Ooh, it already looks better. Nice. That is 8 million times better already.
That's just with the shop vac alone.
Really? Sweet. All right, front carpet is pretty much done. Look at this. Just compare back to back how bad it was. No more signs of salt. Looks great. A couple more touch-up things, seat, etc. And we'll do the other carpets too. Wrapping up the S4, almost done. We had to move it in the garage because it started raining outside. Interior looks flawless. Hasn't been this clean since new, probably. Front rear seats, steering wheel, everything. Vacuum, exterior's clean. Time to go take some pictures of this thing for sale. Thanks to Absolute Auto Detailing. Patrick doing an excellent job.
Well, thank you, Eddie, giving me the opportunity to come do this.
Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna go through some of the things this car has since this is a for sale video. So it is a 2014 Audi S4. I purchased it CPO, transferable extended warranty. It has just over 38,000 miles on it right now. So it's black with the alu optics, the silver trim. It has HRE wheels on them right now, flow forms. It also has a set, I have the stock 19-inch peeler wheels on winter tires, which are pretty much brand new. These wheels are also essentially brand new. They have literally 1,000 miles on them. As far as factory options go, I mentioned it's black, alu optics. Oh, one last mod thing I have the RS Quattro style grille, the black mesh that's available, but I haven't put on the car yet. It has upgraded LED fog lights in front. Supercharged badges on the side. It's a factory option. Mechanically, it has the sports rear differential, which is pretty important for these S4s. DSG, dual clutch transmission, other interior things. It has the Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system, upgraded Magma red leather interior, full carbon fiber. This got a pretty high window stickers, 59,000 something, almost 60 grand for a Premium Plus. It's pretty much fully loaded. Couple other things about the car. 35,000 mile service was done at an Audi dealer because it is CPO. I got Audi Care 45K service already paid for. Has XPEL clear brow paint protection on the front. I think I mentioned everything else with the vehicle. Sale price, I'm going to be selling at $35,000 with everything. The grille, both sets of tires, both sets of wheels, etc. and Audi Care, which is transferable along with the warranty. Otherwise, if it's just a car on its own, I'll probably list it for 33 grand. Let me know if you or anybody else you know is interested in a vehicle. Shoot me a message, getting this thing sold. I've kind of decided on what I'm getting next. I think I know, but it's not publicly announced or anything. And Matt does know. Matt knows what I'm thinking about getting. Regardless, that's why I'm selling the S4. I think I'm going to go buy something else. So somebody buy this car. It's an amazing car. I love it. It looks perfect right now, and it's been a lot of fun to drive. It was awesome in the winter. I was going to start doing more mods on it, but I think I'm going to get something else. So somebody buy this car. Let me know if you know anybody interested. Shoot me a message, either email or Instagram. Thanks, guys.